Welcome to Camp Easy RV's YouTube channel, where we make it easy to RV. Today, we're checking out the 2026 Forest River RV Salem 320 ICE, a bunkhouse travel trailer perfect for Texas family trips, weekend getaways to the coast or lakes, or packing up for state parks with smart storage everywhere to keep coolers, chairs, and gear organized in the Texas heat. Outside, you get a rugged exterior with smooth aluminum front cap, heavy-duty graphics, and a powder-coated I-beam frame built tough for Texas roads and campsites. Plus, extra-large storage compartments that swallow up beach chairs, fishing rods, tackle, grills, or tailgate supplies, so you stay ready for lake days or tailgates. Step inside to the front bedroom, where the comfortable custom king versatilt bed sits front and center for restful nights after park exploring, topped with a wardrobe above it for clothes, linens, and roadside essentials right at hand without rummaging. Next up, the closet has washer and dryer hookups, so you handle sandy beach towels or smoky clothes easy on longer trips. Right there next to the bedroom, the bathroom gives you a full toilet and standard shower, with good space for rinsing off lake water or sweat, keeping everything fresh and dry after a day out. Across from that setup, the sink area has deep cabinet space next to it for stacking sunscreen, towels, bug spray, and toiletries, plus a big mirror right beside for checking your look before heading to the campfire, all under bright LED blade lighting. Moving into the living room and kitchen area, you spot the electric fireplace for cool Texas evenings, paired with the kitchen table that sets up sturdy for family meals, dominoes, or planning tomorrow's lake run. The kitchen sink shines deep, with tons of cabinet space around it for dishes and cutting boards. The oven sits ready below the oversized microwave for quick Tex-Mex or reheats. And the fridge keeps drinks ice cold next to the deep pantry stocked with chips, sodas, and snacks. The couch folds down quick into an extra bed for guests with storage above for blankets and pillows. Bunk beds sleep the kids or extra family comfortably, with room below for toys or bags. And wrapping it up, the rear full bathroom delivers a separate shower, toilet with legroom, cabinet for all your items like shampoo or wipes, sink with cabinet underneath for hidden storage, and mirror above to finish off the convenience, so everyone stays happy on beach trips. Don't forget to download our app so you can browse inventory, schedule visits, and keep up with the latest arrivals anytime, right from your phone. We also offer extended care for life. So be sure to check out our website or contact us for more details on how that can help protect your RV investment for the long haul.